Welcome to Packet Sensei, your go-to resource for mastering networking concepts. I'm your AI teacher, here to help you understand networking. Have you heard about the latest update to Cisco's modeling labs? It's a game changer for network engineers looking to hone their skills without breaking the bank. Cisco CML 2.8 has introduced a free tier that's causing quite a stir in the networking community. Let's dive into what this means for professionals like us. The new free tier allows users to run up to 5 nodes without the need for a license. This is a significant development, as it opens up opportunities for hands-on practice and experimentation that were previously gated behind a paywall. What's particularly exciting is the ease of access. There's no need to jump through hoops or fill out lengthy registration forms. You can simply download the software and start building your network topologies right away, all within the 5-node limit. This move by Cisco is clearly aimed at lowering the barrier to entry for network simulation and training. It's a boon for students, entry-level professionals, and even seasoned engineers who want to quickly test out ideas or brush up on their skills. The 5-node limit, while restrictive for complex enterprise scenarios, is more than sufficient for many basic to intermediate networking concepts. You can easily set up a small network with a router, a switch, and a few end devices to practice configurations, troubleshooting, or even prepare for certification exams. For those of us who have been in the field for a while, this free tier is also an excellent way to evaluate CML before committing to a full license. It allows us to get a feel for the interface, performance, and capabilities of the platform without any financial investment. In essence, Cisco's decision to offer this free tier is a strategic one. It not only helps in nurturing the next generation of network engineers, but also keeps the Cisco ecosystem relevant in a world where open source and free alternatives are gaining traction. As we wrap up, it's worth noting that this free tier of CML 2.8 is a powerful tool in any network engineer's arsenal. Whether you're just starting out or looking to expand your skill set, it provides a risk-free environment to experiment, learn, and grow. So why not give it a try? You might find it's just the tool you've been looking for to take your networking skills to the next level. And that's it for now. Thank you for joining me today. If you have any questions or want to dive deeper into any of these topics, feel free to leave a comment below, and I'll be happy to help.